Did you know that your entire life story began as a single cell? A microscopic miracle that, in just a few days, transforms into a masterpiece of billions of cells. Welcome to Medlifelink. Today, we are mapping the incredible journey of how a single zygote divides, transforms, and implants itself into the uterus. Let's dive in. Following fertilization, the sperm and egg unite to form the zygote. This is day one, and the very first cell of human life. But a massive journey lies ahead. Approximately 30 hours after fertilization, a process called cleavage begins. The zygote undergoes its first mitotic division, splitting into two identical daughter cells called blastocysts. Here is a fascinating paradox: while the cells are multiplying, the overall size of the embryo does not increase. Why? Because the rigid outer shell, the zona pellucida, keeps the boundaries locked. By day 2, another division takes place, bringing us to the 4-cell stage. These early divisions are highly synchronized and regulated by maternal proteins. By day 3, the count rises to 8 cells. At this stage, each individual cell is totipotent, meaning it still holds the incredible potential to develop into an entire, complete human being. After the 8-cell stage, a dramatic event occurs: compaction. The cells maximize their contact with one another, forming tight junctions, and the individual cell boundaries begin to blur. On day 4, this solid ball of 16 to 32 cells becomes a morula. Derived from the Latin word for mulberry, it gets its name because it looks exactly like the fruit. The morula completes its journey through the fallopian tube and enters the vast, fluid-filled cavity of the uterus, where its next major transformation begins. This hollow ball of cells is now called a blastocyst. It consists of two distinct parts, an outer ring of cells called the trophoblast, and an internal cluster called the inner cell mass. These cells have different destinies. The outer trophoblast will develop into the placenta, while the inner cell mass is destined to become the actual embryo. In order to implant, the blastocyst must break free from its outer shell. Through enzymatic digestion, it ruptures the zona pellucida and emerges. This is called hatching. Around day 6, the newly hatched, sticky blastocyst aligns itself with the specialized, nutrient-rich lining of the uterus, known as the endometrium. This initiates apposition and adhesion. Specialized surface proteins on both the blastocyst and the endometrium lock together like a highly secure key fitting into a lock. This initiates apposition and adhesion. Specialized surface proteins on both the blastocyst and the endometrium lock together like a highly secure key fitting into a lock. The syncytial trophoblast acts like an aggressive root system. It releases specialized enzymes that gently erode maternal capillaries, establishing the vital connection for nutrient exchange. By day 11 to 12, the blastocyst is completely embedded within the uterine wall. The surface epithelium heals over it, securing the embryo. Implantation is officially complete. And that is how a single cell secures its path to becoming a human life. If you found this journey amazing, subscribe to Medlifelink for more. Our next video is going to cover a mind-blowing topic on early embryonic development. You absolutely do not want to miss it. See you in the next video.